Bad cleaning habits you should stop now. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Everyone is a bit untidy at times. This comes from the fact that cleaning is such a difficult chore, which doesn't appeal to many people. It is completely understandable since cleaning takes time and energy, which you could otherwise spend on something else. There is little doubt that cleaning is important and that you need some good cleaning practices to stay on top of it. Sadly, there are also some bad cleaning habits, which you will do well to change. In this video, you will find some of these, which are making you unproductive and lead to difficulties in cleaning. Bad habit number 1, you are not organized. Cleaning your home without a plan or some kind of strategy is not going to lead to anything good. In fact, doing so will most likely result in you abandoning the task. By not mapping your cleaning plan, it will just seem like a far too overwhelming job to clean everything, which is bad for the motivation. This is especially true when you are cleaning on the weekend or doing a deep spring cleaning session. Disorganization will further hinder your work by causing you to run around the place in search of different tools and cleaning solutions, further making you throw in the towel. Bad habit number 2, allowing chores to pile up. "I will deal with that later" is one of the most dangerous things you can think to yourself when it comes to cleaning chores. Whatever room of your home you are planning on ignoring, know that you are doing yourself very bad favor. The longer you put off a task, or cleaning altogether, the more chores will pile up and become harder to address. By the time you get to clean, it will already be too difficult. What to do instead? Instead of allowing chores to pile up, invest a little of your time to do some wiping and cleaning. That way you will deal with tasks easily and effectively prevent any need to invest tons of time and effort to clean. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Bad habit number 3, you don't ask anyone for help. Sometimes cleaning turns into a one-man feat, which makes it quite difficult. Whatever chores you need to address, it will be much harder to do them alone than if you have a little help. Your family should be there to assist you. What to do instead? Delegate cleaning chores to other family members or seek other forms of help, such as booking with a cleaning company. That ought to take some weight off your shoulders. Bad habit number 4, you use too harsh chemicals. Most of the time you don't really require too harsh chemicals to clean your home. As a matter of fact, you are probably better off avoiding these altogether. What to do instead? Sometimes it is best to employ greener solutions with products like vinegar, baking soda and lemon juice. There are plenty of homemade recipes for cleaning solutions that work in the kitchen, bathroom or practically anywhere in your home. Give them a try before you use that heavy-duty cleaner. As you can see, there are quite a few unpleasant habits you need to change to keep your home clean and organized. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out 6 mistakes that can slow down your cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.